on the farm. It is a sheep. Sheep walk together in green field. Are you ready to hear the sound? Look at the happy dog. Dogs love to run and wag their tails. They are friendly farm helpers. Let's hear the sound now. See the jumping goat. Goats like to climb and hop around. They move very fast on the farm. Listen carefully to the sound. This big animal is a cow. Cows eat grass in open field. They lie peacefully on the farm. Now listen to the sound. Here is a quiet cat. Cats like to walk softly and rest. They are cute and gentle animals. Let's hear the sound.